In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your GCash account to a new phone. First, it's important to know that GCash only allows your account to be registered on one device at a time through its account secure feature. That means before you fully use GCash on your new phone, you normally need to unregister the old one first. If you still have access to your old phone, open the GCash app, go to Profile, then Settings, tap Account Secure, and choose Unregister Phone. Review the details, tap Yes, Unregister, then complete the selfie scan or OTP verification. GCash says you'll see a confirmation screen and receive an SMS once the old phone has been removed. After that, install GCash on your new phone and log in using your mobile number. When prompted, tap I want to register this phone, then complete the selfie scan or OTP. Once that's done, your new phone becomes the registered device for your account. If your old phone is broken, reset, lost, or stolen, don't try to guess the process. GCash has separate support flows in the app's help center, including lost SIM/phone and transfer funds and services, and they specifically say to use the GCash app, not a browser, when chatting with GG.